All right, I hope you're ready for Wednesday. Miss DeBoard here. We're going to start with our rhyme recognition. I'll say it, you repeat it, give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. Pen, home. Pen, home, don't rhyme. Book, look. Thumbs up, book, look, rhyme. Gum, some. Gum and some rhyme, good job. Red, white. Red and white don't rhyme. Fox, box. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Okay, onset fluency. I'll say the two words and the sound that they begin with. You repeat after me. Done, door, duh. Otter, oxen, ah. Face, fill, f. Afternoon, as, ah. Live, let, bull. Okay, great job. Now we're going to blend our phonemes together. Oo, moo. E, knee. O, toe. Sh, I, shy. P, a, pay. Great job. We're going to isolate final sounds. That means we're going to punch out the last sound of the word. I'll do it first. You repeat after me. Sub. Rod. Hug. Six. Home. Okay, get your choppers out. I'm going to segment first. You repeat after me. Lie, I. Zoo, z, oo. Low, o. You, ya, oo. Day, da, a. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to add a phoneme. I'm going to add part of the word. Okay, we're starting with E. Add h to the beginning to make he. We're starting with A. Add ul to the beginning to make. This is your time to say it before me. Lay. We're starting with oo. Add t to the beginning to make two. We're starting with I. Add p to the beginning to make pie. We're starting with O. Add ul to the beginning to make low. Good job. Now we're going to delete a phoneme. We're deleting part of the word. We're starting with may. Without what's left? A. We have the word see. Without s, what's left? E. We have the word by. Without b, what's left? I. We have the word Joe. Without j, what's left? O. We have the word goo. Without g, what's left? Oo. All right, one more part. This is our substituting part where I take part of the word away and change it with a new part, okay? We have the word take. Change t to b. What's the word? Ache, bake. We have the word bake. Change b to k. What's the word? Cake. We have the word cake. Change k to What's the word? Rake. We have the word rake. Change to ul. What's the word? Lake. We have the word lake. Change ul to t. What's the word? Take. Good. Now our nursery rhyme. Repeat after me. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. We'll all have tea. In case you were wondering what a kettle was, it's a tea kettle that you heat the water up in. So there's still some more to our poem. We'll learn it tomorrow. See you then.